Hey everybody, so I just got this new Modern Warfare here, and it's giving me a little bit of issue. So if you're like me, and you went online, bought Amazon, or you bought a game from Amazon because it's a lot cheaper than in-store retail, you're like, okay, cool, I want to play this new game. Just got it, first day shipping, cool beans. So you go to play it, you want to go on multiplayer, you're like, hey, I already completed the campaign, I want to go play the multiplayer now, right? So you go play the multiplayer, and it's like, hey, can't do that. You got to download some software or whatever. You're like, all right, whatever. So I go download it. It's like, hey, go fuck yourself. You can't play it. Because you can't do this downloaded thing, whatever. You're like, oh, that's gay. That's big gay. So now you just can't even play multiplayer. You do the same thing for special ops. You're like, oh, maybe it's a glitch or whatever. I'll just do some special ops. And you're like, hey, you can't download the software. Because you're like, hey, what? What? I want to play the game. And it's like, hey, go fuck yourself. So this is a really easy way to fix this. All you got to do is close the application. I'm not going to show that because I don't want to show you a real name. Got to keep that incognito, whatever. All right. Is create a new account. All right. The way you do, the reason why you create a new account is the game is basically saying, hey, you can't use the game on this particular area. So real quick, I'm going to switch my user to incognito enabled. So basically what I did is I created a new account under the name John Smith, or account region. The reason why I did that is because if you look on the game, if I can go find it real quick. If you look on the game, you'll notice by this little globe dude, it's telling me the number 2. That means I have to be in the region of number 2. I think the region, I'll list the regions or whatever in the description down below so you can know which one you need to pick from. But anyways, I need to be in region 2 in order to play on the multiplayer and play online and whatever. So that's why. If you look on my other games, like, I don't know, Horizon Zero Dawn or whatever, this says all on it means anybody can download any of the software in any region, so you don't have to worry about this whole jank process. Since I'm in the region 2, like I said, I have to have an account that is currently in region 2. But this current account, or the previous account I was playing on, wasn't in region 2. This new account, I made that in region 2. So now that I've made the new account, you know, made a new email, changed my name, changed my user ID, etc., to the region 2, which I believe one of it is South Africa or something. Now I can go in the game and go play it, and then it'll let me download the software. So once you've already created the new account, and like I said, I'll list the region thing down in the description below. I think it's like 1 through 6 or whatever. You pick one of those regions, and then it'll be good to go. So then after you've created a new account and you selected your region and all that fun stuff, then you go in Call of Duty on your new account and you go download the software just like you would have, you know, before. So I'll go on the campaign or this multiplayer or whatever, and then it'll let me download the software. So let's fast travel real quick. All right, so now I'm on multiplayer, right? I'll click on multiplayer. It'll say, hey, you're missing the DLC map, so you got to download it. You're like, all right, cool. So you'll download it, and then it'll direct you to the PlayStation Store, and all you got to do is download it. As you can tell, I'm already downloading it, and once you can do that, you'll be all set. Same thing for local co-op. You got to download this software, DLC, whatever. It just says, hey, you're missing one of the DLC. Click on it, you're good to go. And it'll direct you to right where you need to be. And once you do all that, once you download all the software and DLCs or whatever, then you can exit out of your account. You know, you can close out of the application, and then you can re-sign into your new account, and then it'll be right there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Share this to your friends and family, whoever else is having this issue. Currently, this is for PS4 only. I'm not sure if this particular exploit or whatever works on Xbox. I'm not sure. Maybe you could try it on, maybe not. I don't know, but we'll see. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys hopefully later.